minute to review the safety card at your seat. Please also pay attention to the following safety demo, even if you are a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on tonight's flight, please do remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Thank you for joining us here, and once again, welcome aboard.
Welcome. We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate